a Roman glass bead furnace for Rheinbach. The Roman bead furnace was built in 2018 by archaeologist Frank Wiesenberg with the assistance of French glassmaker Francois Arnaud. The clay used to build the furnace was taken from the vicinity of Villa Borg in Saarland, a reconstructed Roman villa rustica. The furnace only took a few hours to build. Workshop participants and students from the glass school prepared the clay and used it to shape the pearl furnace, which was put into operation without a lengthy drying phase. How do you work on a Roman bead furnace? Within a good hour, the required working temperature of around 900 degrees Celsius is reached at the top collar of the chimney. The bead driver now wraps the softened glass around a thin iron rod that is coated with a release agent, so that the bead can easily strip off after it has slowly cooled down. A sand-filled pot placed on the furnace, in which the glass-coated rods must remain for some time, is sufficient for tempering, the tension-free cooling of the small beads. Unlike in the production of larger vessels, a separate cooling furnace is not absolutely necessary for bead rolling. As well as modern glass, the molten glass used at the Rheinbach bead furnace is also specially manufactured following a Roman recipe. This calls for the experience of Roman glassmakers Mark Taylor and David Hill from Crawley in England, who have been reconstructing Roman glass vessels and analysing glass recipes used in Roman times for over 30 years. This project also saw the realisation of a glass smelting furnace with an accompanying cooling furnace in 2018. They can be found near the Rheinbach Glass Pavilion at An der Glasfachschule No. 2, in a glassworks assembled by young French craftsmen.